Hello, in front of me I've got Nextbase, rare cam compatible with IQ modules 1K, 2K or 4K. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the front of the box. Right here we've got the image of the device, name and what it's compatible with. Next we can check QR code for app, and on the back we can find the specification. 1440p resolution rear camera, compatible with IQ models 1K, 2K or 4K, helps to guard against tailgaters and rear end impacts, providing a further level of security and safety. Next we can check package includes and serial number. Let's open the box. Firstly, we can see our camera. Let's remove it from the box. Under the cam, we can find USB cable, for connection. Next, we can find extension cable to connect the camera with the main camera. In the end, we can see a sticker, and that's basically it. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Right here we've got the lens, holder, and that's basically it. There is no button on the camera, because it has to be connected all the time to main camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.